This is Litre Total Parts Pro today with a Subaru Crosstrek, stock number 6612. This ran from the 10th 2022 to the current shape. It has an FP20D 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is the FP20D 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate, right hand taillight, right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic gear shifter, factory touchscreen sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,